Let's imagine there are two people. Person A puts this much of effort, okay? Person A puts this much of effort. Person B is putting this much of effort. So what's the output? If A is putting much effort, then obviously you can expect the output to be exactly higher. So I'm assuming that his effort is, if his effort is A, then his result is A squared. Okay, whereas this person is putting less effort, so what do? Let's say his output will be a little lesser, so what he'll achieve is a little lesser because his effort is not as high. Now, these two people decided to come together, okay? If these two people decides to come together, then what happens? A decided to put this much of effort and B decided to put this much of effort. So when A and B came together to put their efforts together, you see the square it makes. Now the square it makes is way bigger than what exactly the square they made by being individually or just doing them individually. Their value was much lesser, yeah? So A squared, you see it was just 3 into 3 boxes, but here I'm representing A plus B like this. So this was A squared and this was B squared. But now when two people put their effort together, you see there is so much of lesson to learn from here. You come together in unity, then you see there is something happening additionally, and that is just the product of the two. The effort multiplies, you can say that. So when two people come together, there is unity, there will be more effort given in, and that is how you get that A plus B the whole square. When two things come together, then the value of that is not just equal to the sum of the two, the square of the sum of the two, but additionally it's twice the product of the two, which means you are definitely going to get an extra value when you're doing unity. I think this is the power of unity, okay? So you understand that this formula is very helpful in algebra. Even when you go to your higher classes, even when you study higher topics like calculus, these basics can be understood from now on, and you will realize that things become very easy to understand further. So this is it. This is how math has always been teaching us some lesson. Thank you.